Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to open a dispute on AliExpress. So before opening a dispute on AliExpress, you need to make sure that you understand when you can do that. And those reasons include when your order didn't arrive, or for example if it came but it is damaged, wrong, fake or missing parts, or for example item doesn't match description. So okay, let's open AliExpress and go to account at the bottom and enter my order step right here. And from this list you should find order that you want to dispute for. Tap on it to open order details page that should look like this. And now we want to find button open dispute and press it, which will redirect you to this dispute page. So first thing that you should do is you should select whether you want to get refund only or refund and return items. So you select refund only in case when you want to keep your item but get your money back, or the second option, return and refund, when you want to send your item back and get full refund. Then you should select dispute reason. So again, as I mentioned earlier, so your item didn't arrive, not as described, broken, wrong, etc. Then you should set refund amount. So you set full amount if your package didn't arrive, or partial amount if you will keep your item but you want some money back. Then you should specify why you're requesting your refund. So you should explain your issue in details. And last, that you should upload some evidence for your refund. So upload photos, videos, maybe screenshots, whatever that will prove your dispute. And do not forget to submit it by pressing red button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.